Yeah, new baby just came in. My new baby ball python from Serpent's cave. And actually, this time, they put it on my front porch. So that made my day get off to a much better start. I'm shaky because I've been moving snake enclosures around and packing up stuff, putting it out in my storage building out of the house so we can finish up the work in the house. But there's my little new one. I hope you're okay. You sure are chilly. You okay? Kind of hard to hold the camera and this at the same time. You're chilly. We'll get you warmed up real quick. Oh, what a little tiny one you are. Yes, you are. It's my new baby from Serpent's cave. Oh, you are adorable. You're chilly. We're going to have to warm you up, huh? Got a little cooler last night. Well, somebody's very calm. Look at you. Aren't you gorgeous? Yes, you are. You're beautiful. So, new house, new place to live. My tongue's going like crazy. Yeah, it is. You are dinky. You're so tiny. I got every size possible of snake food here, so what you don't want, I'm sure I've got something you will eat. Oh, you're so cute. Yes, you are. Bless your little heart. Rough ride, huh? At least this time they put this package on my front porch instead of my neighbor's. Rocky. Beautiful boy. He's doing great. What? What? See, I like you, lady. I like you. You're shy. You're a timid one, you are. Yeah, somebody has made himself comfortable on my lap. That didn't take long, now did it? Huh? That didn't take long. So I'm going to go look around. This place is cool. Yeah, there are other snakes here too, little one. You're so dinky. You're so tiny. It's okay. I'm not going to hurt you. No, I won't hurt you. No, I won't. You're in a safe place. You are teeny. Oh my goodness. We're going to have to fatten you up some, huh? But I know you're just a baby, so we'll fix that up. You're gorgeous. Yes, you are. You're so cute. We're going to come see what that thing is. That's a camera. Natural curiosity. You going to come up here and see me? Well, hey. So I'm curious about you. That's okay. Nobody's going to hurt you. Beautiful colors and patterns. Yeah, I'm going to love you to death. You're so gorgeous. Yes, you are. You're the sweetest little thing. I don't have a name for you yet, but I'm sure I'll pick one out. Yeah, you're cute. No, you don't want to go off the end of my lap. There's a long drop to the floor there, pal. But I wanted to introduce my new baby to everyone. There's always going to be room in my house for another snake, even though I have to keep moving snake enclosures around because we're still waiting to get the final permit for my snake room addition out there between my house and the storage building. So everything's just been moved around like 50 times already because of the work we've been doing around here. Well, you're happy. So I'm a happy snake. I'm fine. Yes, I am. You're so tiny. Look at you. You're so cute. What a little cutie you are. We're going to warm you up. Put you over heating pad. Checking out your new house, huh? You like your new house? It's real nice, huh? I'm going to have 4 babies after the other 3 are coming in next week. They're pastels. But these MPI enclosures have a divider that you can order. So this is split both of these cages, the top and bottom one, into 4 small cages. They'll be perfect for all my young baby ball pythons. The other 3 that are coming in, they'll all have their own enclosure, little section of it, and this is their fluorescent light that you can order special for the cages. But I love these MPI enclosures. They're fabulous. What you doing? There's no way out for you. Sorry, they don't leave any leaks or any gaps in this glass for you to come out of. No coming out. No, you can't come out. So I'm exploring my new house. That's what I'm doing. You're beautiful. Yes, you are. You're beautiful. I have 4 new baby ball pythons. I can't wait. I love them to death. I miss having babies in the house. My youngest snake, I think, was probably Opal, 3 years old. All the rest of them are like 7 to 9 years old. Some are 14, 15 years old. So it's nice to have babies in the house again. I love raising them. And I start working with them when they're young, so they get used to being handled. And that's why all my snakes are so friendly and social, because they're used to having human interaction. So I'm really exploring this place. It's pretty cool, huh? Opal's up there. What are you doing, Opal? So I got a big tank up here now, too. Yes, you do. You got a nice size tank up here. Hi, Opal. What are you doing, girl? You're so pretty. Yes, you are. So I'm exploring, too. I took her out of here to put the dividers up. And these. So now she's got a whole tank up there to herself. Since I wanted to split these into 4, so the new baby ball pythons will each have a half of each enclosure. What are you looking for? There's no way out of here. Uh-oh, you fell down. Did you fall down? There's something so magical about baby snakes. They're so dependent on you, and they have such amazing personalities. That was embarrassing. I'm going to sit here and act like you didn't see that, because I lost my balance and fell. But yeah, checking out every inch of this enclosure.